let's say you do a slow punch, right? So in here, here, here. Relax, relax, don't worry. Like here. If so, this is a joint lock, which is very dangerous for the opponent. So first of all, for me, I'm attacking, so I know she's with my fight. So my right hand is jamming her left hand, so she cannot fight. Now, if she were to fight, it's gonna hurt her.
Yes.
So what you do? Don't fight. Yes, since I'm gently twisting downward, sink more. There. There comes a point when you sink enough, follow my force, that you neutralize my force. And that's,
I ever worked on my legs though.
well, yes, you have to have certain strength.